at that bag. Oh, 1,000. I can just use my credit card, right? Yeah, it shouldn't be a problem. I'll just pay it back next month when I get paid. What's up guys, I'm Daisy, aka the Brandfluencer, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to explore the very important topic of credit cards and how to use them like a smart person. Because none of us are looking to be those people that end up drowning in debt and getting grey hairs from being so stressed out. So the key thing is to use credit cards wisely, and I'm going to teach you exactly that, step by step, how you can use them without having any stress. Now there are some things I have learned over the years when it comes to using credit cards and how to use them to your advantage. Now I'm actually only 21 and I have a perfect credit score already. Now on different sites this may be different, but on Experian this is 999, which is the perfect score. You can't get more than that. So many people have fears over credit cards, and I was actually one of those people. But luckily I realized that they're actually a good thing and you can use them to your advantage. And may I highlight, I am no financial advisor. I am just a girl trying to level up her life and share it with you. So credit cards are extremely important in building your credit score. And this credit score is a way of representing your credit reputation. This credit score allows lenders to view your spending behavior and whether you're a reliable consumer in which they can lend out some money and whether you're actually going to pay them back on time. So the higher your credit score, the more reliable you're seen as. And credit scores are used for so many things, such as phone contracts, mortgages, any cars you decide to buy on finance, and even rental properties. So having a credit score is a must. You can't avoid it. Even if your plan in life is to always pay everything off in full, when it comes to a home, you have no choice. When it comes to purchasing a home, you need your credit score in order to see whether you're able to get a mortgage. And when it comes to renting a home, the landlord needs to see whether you're going to be a reliable tenant and whether you're actually going to pay your rent monthly. And an extra added benefit of credit cards that many people don't actually know, and this is a little secret my mum has taught me, is that credit cards are a lot safer to use than using your debit card. So credit cards aren't actually your money, right? You're borrowing money from the bank which you plan on paying off. So when you make a purchase which may be a bit dodgy or unsafe, it's so much easier to get a charge back because it's the bank's money in that process. It's so easy to dispute anything because the banks have your back. It's their money. They ain't gonna lose their money. So that's why it's best to use it when you're a bit unsure. The main message I want you to really etch in your brain is to only use your credit card on purchases you were already going to make. So what I would say is with any smaller occurring payments is to use your credit card, because you're not using your credit card as a form of gaining extra money. You're only using it to pay off things that you actually already have money for. So then once you get home, you can pay off your credit card straight away because you already have that money in your bank. You must only use your credit card for purchases you already can afford. So you're using it on things you already knew you were going to purchase, and you're just adding in the extra step of, instead of using your debit card directly, you're using your credit card, and then you're going to pay off that credit card straight away. So it's just a little extra step. It may seem a bit long-winded, but it is a must. The benefits of using your credit card outweigh this. It helps you build your credit score, which will help you in the future, and you can actually reap some rewards depending on what kind of credit card you have. Now a key thing to keep in mind is to not spend more than 20% of your credit card allowance. So for example, I have a £500 credit limit, so I will never go over £100 in one go. I will always pay off my credit card before it exceeds £100. And this is because if you're using large amounts of your credit card, you don't want to seem as if you're using your credit card on things you can't afford. So instead use it for just small payments. The amount you purchase makes no difference to building your credit score. It's more so about how many times you use it and not the actual transaction amount. Now if you're worried about forgetting to pay off your credit card, which was a massive issue for me, I didn't actually plan to have my first credit card. It came as a bundle student package with HSBC. So when I signed up for a student account, it came with the debit and credit card. And for the first year of having that credit card, I never touched it. I was just too scared. So once I realized the importance of using my credit card, I had to sign up for a new one because that one ended up getting stopped. because if you don't use your card, they stop the card completely. So make sure you do use it monthly. And when I set up this new one, I found out that you could actually set up automated payments to your credit card. And this means that your debit card will automatically pay off your credit card monthly. So the bank does all that for you. You don't have to worry about ever forgetting to pay off your credit card, because it will happen automatically as long as you have money in your debit card account. And that's why I've highlighted to only use your credit card for purchases you were already going to make. So purchases you can already afford, because you're still using your own money to pay that off. You've just added the extra step of using your credit card instead, and then you're going to pay that off straight away, just so you can build up that credit score. We want to use credit cards to add value to our lives, not stress us out. So make sure you follow these steps precisely, because then you just can't go wrong. And to highlight some what not to do, just so you have an overall idea on how credit cards work and you never have any issues with them, you must also not use your credit card to withdraw any cash. Banks don't like that for some reason. I think they just want to see exactly where your money's going, and some credit cards actually have fees when it comes to withdrawing cash. So just don't do it. Save yourself the extra costs. It's not needed. And also, do not use credit cards to pay off any other debts. You do not want to get into the cycle of paying off debt whilst also building more debt. It's just headache. Just avoid it. And that's why I keep highlighting why you should only use your credit card for the purchases you were originally going to make with your debit card anyway. And let's remember, credit card lenders are not your friend. They want you to pay them off late. They want you to pay that interest, and they want to make some money off of you using their money. So never fall for their minimum payments and trying to help you out. You never want to pay interest on your credit card. And that's basically it, guys. I hope I covered everything I wanted to cover in this video. If there's anything you didn't quite understand or anything I missed, please make sure you comment it down below. And make sure you share this video with anyone that could find this video useful. So make sure you send this video to your family and friends who need more understanding on building their credit score and how they can go about it easily. And if you found value in this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as it helps a lot and it helps share this video to as many people possible. Let's not keep this valuable information a secret. Let's help out as many young people as we can, because we all want to set ourselves up for financial success as early as possible. So until next time.